Hello and welcome to the InstanetFax Intelligent Cover Sheet introductory video. So what is the InstanetFax Intelligent Cover Sheet? It's a cover sheet that allows you to fax paper documents to any email address in the world. It's an offline cover sheet that you download from your transaction desk account to your computer's hard drive so that you can use it over and over again without needing to go online to access it. It's intelligent because it allows you to fax multiple documents using one cover sheet, and your recipient will receive multiple PDF attachments in the email that are already named and defined as you've created the cover sheet. So how does it work? You'll go in and go through a quick wizard, which we'll show you here in just a moment. We create a dynamic barcode that changes as you type into that wizard, and that tells us how to route that document, who to route it to, and how to divide up the fax that you're sending your recipient. So in order to access this, you simply log into Transaction Desk, click on the InstanetFax link, and you'll be able to download that cover sheet. That big orange circle in the middle is a download link that will allow you to download it. You can also click here to download it, and while you're here we suggest you get the user guide so you'll have more detailed information and can get any questions answered that you have when you go to use the cover sheet. When it prompts you to download it, go ahead and save it to a location on your hard drive that's easy to find, so you can again use this cover sheet over and over again. So here's the IntelligentFax cover sheet. There's actually two versions in one cover sheet. First, I'm going to show you how to use the simple version, which you'll generally use for one document. You simply check this box, fill out the cover sheet information, who it's going to, if you want to carbon copy somebody, the subject and the message, click print, and it will create the cover sheet. You'll put that on your document and you'll send it to your recipient via fax. They'll receive it as an email with an attachment. So for the intelligent version, you'll go through the wizard, you'll click the blue box in the center here and click on the wizard button. Now this will take you through a quick wizard where you put in the email addresses you want, the carbon copy, and you can even blind carbon copy people in the intelligent version using the wizard. You'll click next, you type in the subject line, type in the message, check any options you want. Send a copy to myself is a default that will already be checked. If you want to include a fax back cover sheet so your recipient can print copies of the documents you're sending, sign them, and fax them back to you, you go ahead and check that box. Go ahead and click next in the bottom right, and it will bring you to the final page of the wizard where you'll check split fax into multiple documents. If you do have multiple documents, you'll put the page numbers of each document in here. So we have a contract, we have an addendum, the contract's 6 pages, the addendum's 1 page, and then you can go ahead and finish or click print. If you click print, it will create the document there. If not, you click finish. It'll bring you back to the page. You can also hit print there. Either way, we create the fax cover sheet for you with those dynamic barcodes. You put the cover sheet on the documents that you want to fax in the order that you've defined in the last page of the wizard. So I'd put my contract first, then my addendum under that, put this fax cover sheet on top, and once I fax it to that toll-free number, and again this is a toll-free faxing anywhere in the continental US, my recipient will then receive an email with the contract, with the addendum already separated, the files already named, and a fax back cover sheet. In this case I elected that option so they can print this, they can print it, they can sign it and fax it back to me. And again, if you've branded your account in Transaction Desk, the email will be branded with your brokerage logo or brokerage banner, your photo, and of course your contact information's there automatically. So that's it. That's a quick overview and introduction. Again, to access and download the cover sheet, go to InstanetFax. Go to this link in your transaction desk account. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your time and your interest.